Adab sir, welcome everyone. Thanks to our honorable course teacher Taha Hussain sir for giving me this opportunity to present today. This is Shonchita Rani, ID 1 and YDate 024, student of Begum Rokeya University, honors first year second semester, Department of Gender and Development Studies. Today the topic of my presentation is the economic dimension of globalization. Now I am going to discuss. Generally, economic globalization means that increased income, open trade market, convenience of transnational, increase in value of labor. After all, improve the quality of human life. When it is properly observed, then it will be economic globalization. But Manfred B. Stager a clear concept of economic globalization. Now I present to you about this chapter. Manfred B. Stager said that we have many economic globalizations such as International Monetary Fund, World Bank, WTO, GATT, etc. In this globalization provide loan developing country for develop. In this organization has system and who made it. Manfred B. Stager showed it in the chapter. Manfred B. Stager said that money exchange system where the currency of developing countries much higher. On the other hand, developing countries is lower than countries so far. Sometimes they are lost. Many developing countries in financial crisis, so they take loan from different banks such as IMF, World Bank, etc. But the bank pay a lot of interest. As a result, developing country cannot more benefit of economic globalization. Manfred B. Stager said that about neoliberalism. There are three characteristics. Number one, the internationalization of trade and finance. Number two, the power of international cooperation. Number three, the enhanced role of international economic institutions. The internationalization of trade and finance. We saw that the total value of world trade exploded from 57 million in 1947 to an astonishing 6 trillion in the late 1990. When located new satellite system and fabric optic cable, then interest-based technologies that further accelerated the liberalization of financial translation. Then is interesting ebusiness.com fund global business to business translation. TNC have consolidated their global operation in an increasingly deregulated global labor market. The availability of slave labor resource and favorable production condition in the global south has enhanced corporate mobility and profitability. As a result, North countries grow GDP because none of their cooperation maintains headquarters outside of North America, Europe, Japan and South Korea. The growing TNC has profoundly altered the structure and functioning of the international economy. As consequence, TNC have become extremely important players that influence the economic, political and social welfare of many nations. After all, the intensification of global economic interconnection does not simply fall from the sky, rather it is set into motion by a series of political decisions. Thank you all for listening to my presentation.